If you are holding JASMY coin, I would like you to pay very close attention right now to the charts because today we've got some breaking news for JASMY coin. If you take a closer look right now into the 4-hourly time frame charts, you can see that JASMY coin has found support perfectly at this level, which we have been calling for the past couple of days, which is this order block represented by this red zone. Yes, while JASMY coin was dumping for the past couple of days, we have been calling this level as support, and we have now found support perfectly at this level, which we have been talking about for quite some time on the channel. So this is quite some massive news, and in this video we'll be discussing exactly what this means for the JASMY coin price, what we could expect, the levels to look out for, the possible bullish and bearish scenarios, and much more. Everything will be discussed in today's video, and that is why you don't want to miss this update video we have right now for JASMY coin. So right now we are inside the shorter 4-hourly time frame for JASMY coin, so we could have a clear view on exactly what's going on inside the shorter 4-hourly time frame, or inside the shorter time frames. And as you guys can see, we had a strong bounce actually for the past couple of hours. We had a strong move towards the upside as a result of this red zone, which is again this order block acting as support for the JASMY coin price. So first of all, this is looking bullish because the bulls are taking over at this general area, which is this order block. It was previous strong resistance, now flipped to support actually. So this chart to me is right now looking absolutely healthy. Actually, in the short term, the chart is looking healthy. We had a nice run towards the upside previously right here, and then we had this pullback, a completely healthy and normal pullback, which we needed so that we could proceed with the next leg towards the upside. So right now, what am I expecting? First off, I'm expecting that JASMY coin in the next couple of hours or days could continue this move to the upside, back to this resistance essentially at around 0.025 cents. So I'm expecting JASMY to continue the move towards the upside until we touch this resistance. And now we're going to be facing either one of two scenarios once we do touch this resistance. First off, let's move back into trading view so we could have a bigger perspective. So back to the charts, you can see again JASMY is pumping to the upside, but again in the next couple of hours we could be presented with one of two scenarios. First off, we could either pump to this resistance, get rejected, and move back down towards the downside and find support right here, or we could see JASMY coin flip to the bullish mode and break above this resistance and flip that to support. So those are the two scenarios. So the bearish scenario is we would rally towards the resistance, get rejected, move back down. The second scenario, which is a bullish one, is we could see JASMY break above resistance, flip that to support, and pump to the upside, putting in higher highs and higher lows, and also move towards our next target right here, which is the next major resistance, which starts at around 0.0365 cents. So yeah, in the next couple of hours, I'll be closely monitoring the charts for JASMY because this will be the deciding factor if we could be seeing higher prices soon, or if we could see JASMY tank back down towards the downside. So again, in order for us to flip bullish, it's going to be very, very essential right now for JASMY coin to break above resistance, because again, this has acted as strong resistance previously for JASMY coin, and as long as we don't break above this level, we could expect the JASMY coin price to move back down to the downside. So again, if you would like to see higher prices for JASMY coin, it will be very, very crucial right now for JASMY coin to break above this level as confirmation, so we could move now to the next target at around, again, 0.035 cents. That is the next target we're looking out for if we do see a successful break above resistance as confirmation. So right now we are waiting for confirmation, and stay cautious again because many traders can get wrecked right here. If they're trying to long right here, they could get wrecked and they could get again liquidated from a flash crash. So let's wait for confirmation first. Let's wait for the dust to settle. Let's wait for the bigger picture to clear up. But again, right now let's see the MACD. Again, if you take a look at the MACD, sooner or later we may see a bearish cross right here, so be warned about that as well. And also, if you do take a look at the 4-hourly time frame RSI, we are right now approaching overbought levels, so just be warned again about these indicators, and these are essentially indicating that we could potentially see a pullback once we do touch resistance. So again, wait for confirmation before jumping into trades again. So now let's move into the longer weekly time frame, because I know many of you would like to hear my long-term view for JASMY. So yeah, let's talk about my midterm view first of all. So again, as all of you may know, I'm still feeling bullish for the JASMY coin price, and in the next couple of weeks, I'm expecting JASMY to pump to the upside to this next target at around 0.035 cents, because that's where this next major resistance is located at. And right after that one, we have the next target of 0.071 cents, and we're going to be meeting that target once you do see JASMY, of course, break above this previous resistance at 0.037 cents. So let's take these levels one by one. First of all, let's not focus on the bigger targets first. Let's focus on the next closer targets, because again, I'll just show you all of my targets. So we have 0.0771 cents, and then we have the optimistic target right here at around 0.24 cents for the peak bull run. But of course, I may adjust my targets respectively. But right now, like I've said, let's just focus on this next target, and let's just try to analyze this one by one. So for now, the next target for the next leg up is at 0.037 cents. And we're going to be waiting for a confirmation too. If we do break above this resistance and flip that to support, then we can safely assume that we're ready for the next leg up to the next target. But for now, it's still too early to jump into conclusions. And let's just focus on the next target only at the moment. But right now, what I'm trying to say is the chart looks bullish, definitely in the weekly time frame. It looks like we broke above this order block right here, which is this red zone. We had a strong pump to the upside. We broke above the order block, had a retest, and now we're gearing up for another massive move to the upside. So in the weekly time frame, it looks bullish. The chart looks bullish for JASMY coin in the longer weekly time frame. But in the short term, of course, since Bitcoin is still dumping to the downside, we could expect some short-term flash crashes, and just be careful in the short term. But in the long term, the chart still looks healthy, and it looks primed for higher prices soon. So definitely keep an eye on the charts right now. And if you're wondering where I'm trading right now, I'm trading on blofin.com. It's a good website. I use this website to trade, and I recommend it to you guys. So do sign up using my link in the description for Blofin, and claim your $30 bonus today upon sign up. And of course, if you guys would like to learn how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.